High above the icy Arctic lands, where snow sparkles like sugar and glaciers glow blue, live 3 playful polar cub siblings, Lumi, Niko, and Pippa. One night, they see something incredible. The sky begins to shimmer with dancing colours, brighter and wilder than the northern lights they know. But suddenly, the colours flicker and fade. The cubs learn from old Snowy Owl that the shimmering sky is powered by magical star crystals, and one has gone missing. Without it, the sky will go dark forever. Brave and curious, the cubs set off on a chilly adventure across frozen seas and snowy mountains. Along the way, they meet funny snow puff creatures, friendly glowfish under the ice, and a shy ice dragon who guards a hidden crystal cave. The cubs solve icy puzzles, slide through secret tunnels, and help new friends who teach them the power of teamwork and kindness. At last, they discover that the lost star crystal is trapped inside a glittering iceberg, cracked by a lonely frost spirit who just wanted a friend. By showing care and sharing laughter, the cubs free the crystal and warm the spirit's heart. When the crystals return to the sky, the shimmering sky bursts into brilliant colours, painting the Arctic in magical light. The cubs head home proud and happy, knowing their courage and friendship saved the night sky for everyone.